Are we rolling? And action. Three, two, one. Cameras rolling. Today I want to introduce you to the Liberty Productions website. The link www.libertyprodesign.com. In the last while I've been working on my website on and off, and then eventually a few weeks ago I got it all done and I launched the website. Happy days! You must admit, having your own domain is nice. I remember when I first started, so many options, so many different layouts, so many decisions to make, and eventually it all came together. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Okay, now I've already organized a shortcut to launch my website, so let's do it. And that is my landing page, and within a few seconds, ta-da, enter site. When you enter the site, you get to my portfolio, and in my portfolio I've got different pages: location, studio, fashion shows, and then a few interesting shoots I've done in the past: Biker Lifestyle magazine, the Hot Summer Calendar, and then a bit of glamour, lingerie, and then a few of my videos, which is linked to YouTube. Let's have a look at the location. These are photo shoots I've done in South Africa and shoots I've done in Ireland. Let's go to the studio. Fashion shows, biker lifestyle, the Hot Summer Calendar. In the near future, I actually want to do a whole video on the Hot Summer Calendar. What a project that was. Glamour, lingerie, and so on. Let's go to my video page. It's just a list of videos I've linked from YouTube. And that will grow as time goes on. My Liberty Showcase, and these videos are linked to YouTube as well. Client shoots, that's the landing page. Here's just some of the models I've done shoots with. Let's click on one. Kellyanne, an interesting shoot. Did this photo shoot a very long time ago, and I did it with a little CyberShot camera. Also Jason Lanier, the photo walk I did with him, Lilith, a bit of artistic photography, and so on and so on. My wedding portfolio, I still need to add quite a few examples. Let me just click on one. Sandy and Gray, this was a high profile wedding, and we did more than one video camera. And then my modern prints, These photos are for sale. It's a collection of photos I've done over the years during all my travels. Okay, let's go to more. Stock footage. Stock footage. I've joined Black Box, and that is an ongoing project. Bookings. This is my bookings page. You want to book a wedding, and then studio shoot, location shoot, and so on and so on. This is where you can actually subscribe to my website, my about page.
Crazy. Alright, cool. Sweetie. Debbie, you first, eh? So I need you here, girl. The mic is not very loud, so we're going to switch places around.
Contact page. This is if you want to get in contact. My members page. My mission and vision statement. Terms and conditions. There's quite a bit. It took a lot of research and a hard work for me to do this page. And then Instagram. My blog page. And as time goes on, I'll add a lot more to the website. Please feel free to subscribe for updates on the website. Become a member if you like. And remember, if you want to do a booking, just go to the booking page. And if there's any questions, go to the contact page, contact me, and I will get back to you ASAP. And as usual, a bit of admin. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button for more videos, and until the next time, lekker lekker!